Friday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Why does it smell like cigar out here? That's kind of bothersome. So, all in all, an eventful day. I'm tired, but the new guy, Chad, and I would kick some butt at work. Got a whole bunch of lights working and making things happen. Let's go get some eggs. Scoop the poop. Hi, guys. Oh, that's right. I already scooped the poop. Yep, I hear you, Screech. Well, it looks like we did good on the eggs today. Let's grab some. I'm not talking poop on you, but you are molting. Wow. Look at that. Hi, beautiful. She's super molting. That is a lot of molt right there. Hi, guys. Excuse me. I'm gonna come in right here. So, let's see here. So we got 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. Oh, we're already doing pretty good. That's a nice one. That's 8. That's 9. And we got a broken one, which is 10. Looks like they might have eaten it. That's 11. Not bad, ladies. 11 eggs. What you cackling about? Hey, you guys need to stop fighting. So I finally designed and blueprinted out the electrical for the run. What's going to happen is that when I want them to go to bed, a half hour before, the lights will start slowly dimming. So if I want them to bed at 8:30, the lights will start slowly dimming at 8 until they go off at 8:30, then that should push them into bed. So I'm going to be running grow lights in here to give them all a bunch of natural light, and I'm thinking that that will help them with their egg production. It should come out pretty good. I'm probably about 2 weeks away from pulling it fully off. And then we're going to put a motion sensor out here to light this area up if critters come out. Kind of help scare them off. I'm sitting here seeing those eyes right there, and it's freaking me out, but you scope in, it's just a rain coming off of one of the landscape lights. So Griffin used his bed this morning over by the cat house. It's that enclosed box you buy from TikTok that's heated, and this is what happened. So I came home and finally just screwed it down to the piece of wood right there, and that should keep it from happening. I think what it is that he's such a big boy, he fit in there, but trying to get out, he was trying to peel himself out. Hi guys, look at all my beautifuls. It's going to be storming all day tomorrow, and I'm going to be cleaning them in the storm, so might put a little umbrella up or something like that, I'm not sure, but it's part of being a chicken tender. All right guys, hold on a minute. He's going to act a fool. Well, I guess not going to be today. I guess my chicken soup talk with him kind of worked. There's my ladies. Hi guys. Myrtle, how you doing? My runt. My Princess Buttercup getting so big. Here you go, Mama. She gets all the corn she wants. She's just reaching for the back. I got a bunch of happy chickens. Myrtle's even happy. She's not, I don't know if I don't say she's walking better, but It's water belly. Let's get some eggs. Ooh, ooh. 4. There's my sassy egg. That is a pretty green. I just love this rollaway nesting box. Keeps them from getting broody. Except for Roberta, Bareneck. She's always broody. There's my spoiled queen up there. How you doing? Gotta put Mom's car away real quick. Yep, we got another week of this bad weather, and it's supposed to improve just a little bit for a couple of days. I got some outside projects I got to take care of. All right, there's my buddy. There's my buddy. How you doing, huh? You want to come inside, sir? You want to come inside? Hmm? Turn that stupid light off of you. Yeah, here's my buddy. Hi. Yeah, he fell off of that. It's okay. All right, he's going inside, and we're gonna relax. Y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.